Wow, I love playing Cars 2 on the PlayStation 3. Oh no, why did I get an error?
We interrupt your PS3 for another Woody Woodpecker error.
What the heck, not another Woody Woodpecker error, and I thought Sunny twisted you.
Well, I'm getting rich. I know Sunny twisted me, but with million clones of myself, I am invincible. But anyways, do not turn off your PS3. Repeat, do not turn off your PS3. If you do, my havoc is gonna start.
Why do I have to listen to you? I'm not falling for your tricks.
Virus.
Keep your personal info away from other people.
No. Tell your personal info to other people so they can know what your name, phone number, email address, and the date of birth you were born in.
Never bring food you own to a restaurant.
Wrong. You are supposed to bring food you own to a restaurant. Wait a minute. This isn't correct. What the heck? What are you doing here, Sunny?
I'm swimming in water.
Well then, you are swimming in clothes. Weird, huh? That's it. Time for the Agaria thing. No.
What the heck? What is happening? I guess when someone turns off its device, Howie gains more power.
Don't know what will happen.
Let me handle this, because I am number one.
I don't have a very good feeling about this.
Report.
What is Gramps doing here? I thought it was finished since 2011 or maybe 2012.
Well, it's weird to flying birds get cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And it magically happened.
Howie, aren't you going to stop?
Well, at least, that I am not, because 402 is coming in a few minutes, so let's wait. Agario.
Agrio, more like Wakaio.
How dare you say that to me? That's it. I'm merging from your PS3 to your computer. How did you know I'm a f***ing virus?
Howie. It's almost 4:02. You gotta be ready.
Okay, time for the inanimate insanity. What a great day you have. I'm very proud. But bring Robbie Rotten.
Hey, we are number one. Hey, we are number one. Hey, we are number one. Hey, we are number one.
Okay, my work here is done. Bye.
See, this is what happens when you turn off your computer. Howie Mando was wreaking havoc. You didn't listen to me about turning off your computer. You are.
Oh no, you don't. Yay, I did it. Time to complete the race.